guys, third year na kami. Yay! Vlog. Welcome to my guys. So, magpakilala ka. Guys, magay sa vlog.
Gusto mo magkuro ng pera pero hindi mo magawa? Punta ka na sa bayo ko.
Meron ako mga pending assignments that I haven't done yet. And currently kasi my laptop is not working. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. So, wala tayong other choice kundi use the phone. So, the problem is how can I record myself doing my task if I'm gonna use my phone, diba? But still, I'm gonna try to still record on my phone. Alright, hi guys, so update. I'm done with the two of the task. Wait a minute. Look. Wait pala. I'm done with the two of the task. So, dalawang task na lang yung kailangan kong gawin. As you can see, ayan. Check na yung dalawa na ang aking nagawa. I'm so happy. Just got home. Wait. Sorry if pala my background music is maingay kasi ay nagzo-zumba. Wait. Hindi kaya ako makapirate na ito. So, nag-time zone kasi kami ni JC ngayon. Kaya, ang dami naming tickets na naipon. Around 4,000 tickets. So, binilhan niya ako ng tumbler sa time zone. And this is ipatunay na sa time zone siya galing kasi wala pa akong tumbler guys. So ayun na, nakalagay time zone. Nagkataon kasi merong available na tumblers doon. And buti na lang may color pink because if you don't know, my favorite color is pink and purple. Dati addict na addict ako sa purple. Pero ngayon, addict ako ngayon sa pink. Hey guys! So, sobrang haggard ko na. Pawis na pawis ako kasi apakainit dito sa Philippines. Anyway, so ngayon, I'm on the way sa the UST library because me and Lancel are gonna do a CNB party. Kita ko na, wait ka ba? So, meron kaming free books from the new Sipale Passer! Binigay na lang nila yung books nila and I got one. So, ang kinuha ko is parkour kasi onti na lang yung natira. Like, paunahan siya mag-mind, ganun. Pero no, it's free. All of them are free, which is so generous of them. I got a parkour. And I'm happy rin kasi meron na akong bus ng New Sipale. Ng New CPA. Passer. Sana makapasa ako. Kala naman talaga second year pa lang. Hey everyone, so today is, what's this? Okay. Today is June 17 and today is holiday. It's Monday. And ang aaralin ko is the strategic cost accounting kasi bukas we have class for that and bukas for sure meron kaming quiz kahit hindi sabihin ng prof namin pero everyday naman kasi siya nagpapaquiz. I mean not everyday, every meetings siya nagpapaquiz. So we are gonna review for that. Ay, lap. Yan. Lo, huwag mo i-stop. Naka-video. Yeah, mga masisipag. Okay, kunwari, I'm working.
Parang ewan yung... Bakit? Nag-email.
Mag-apply ka rin.
Hindi, dalawa ko.
Hi guys, good morning everyone. Today it's July 8, 2024. It's Monday. And tomorrow will be our final departmental examination. Anyway, so ngayon, aalis ako. I'm gonna go to the UST library. Pero mamaya-maya pa ako aalis kasi wala akong kasama papunta dun. So sabi ko na ba na I bought my new laptop yesterday. Bumili ako ng bago kong laptop kasi nasira ang aking old laptop, the color white one. So yung laptop ko is Lenovo. Maliit lang siya compare sa old laptop ko kasi yung old laptop ko it's 16 inch. Ito 14 inch. Ngayon bumili na kami ng bagong laptop. Ito is Lenovo IdeaPad. Wait lang. I forgot the name. So when you open it, automatically siya nag-on. Hello, nadumihan ko siya. I'm not gonna touch the screen. So, ayan siya. When you open, tada! May password. So, ayun. This is going to be my outfit. A crop top, and then meron ako sa loob na sports bra. Para naman hindi masyadong kita agad yung chan ko kasi library yun. And then some trousers. Ayan. Wala pa akong shoes. Ayan, wala pa. Later pa. We're done. We're not done. We're gonna go home na lang. Kasi, ang pangit ng pasto namin na unahan kami. Bagal kasi ni JC.
Bad.
Baby, bad yan ah.
Ikaw bad. Sabi ko maaga ka.
Dapat talaga guys, maaga pumunta sa DOST kasi maraming nag-i-study doon. Labi! Ang dami mong side comments, kala mo
Tingnan
pala.
mo, sabog na ito. Legit. Baba mo unti. Sabog na ito.
Hindi. Na-wrinkle lang siya pero hindi siya sasabog.
Dami-dami mo kasi kinakain eh.
Everyone, so just got home. Galing ako school, kakauwi ko lang kasi isang exam lang naman iti-take namin today. And then tomorrow, review day. And then Thursday is going to be the last day of exams. And kanina, while nag-exam kami, nagbigay yung sa org namin, which is a JP organization na ang it's a survival kit kasi deptals na. So, I'm gonna show you yung mga laman nito. This is jelly. So, So, it's really, meron pa siyang pangalan na super love na parang na-customize siya. Super love na meron pa talaga siyang pangalan.
Okay. Nandito yung calculator. Ito, calculator. This is my calculator. Nagkaroon kasi kami ng event last time bago pumasok yung second year era. Parang, ano nga ba yun? Parang ilalagay mo yung isang thing sa box or sa loop. Parang ganun. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag doon. Yung parang time. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko. Basta parang ilalagay siya sa vault. Tapos, bago mag third year, ibibigay yun sa'yo. So, ito yung nilagay ko doon. Kasi, super cute. And look at that. Nakalagay dito is, Jolly Andy Panelo, CPA Ying. CPA Ying. Kasi hindi pa CPA. CPA-ING. It's CPA Ying. Anyway, letters. This is letter for your future self. So, ito yung letter ko daw sa sarili ko. Ano kaya nakalagay dito?
Ay, meron silang letter for you. May letter sila for you, and may letter din ako for myself. Dear Jillian. Dear Jillian.
Smile. This is one sweet word I can simply say to this person. I read this from FB. Smiling is the best way to face every problem. Well, to crush every fear, to hide every pain. And this is true for me. First thing in the morning after waking up, I always face myself in the mirror and smile. I do this because smiling after waking up is the hardest thing to do, and I always believe that after doing it, the rest of the day will smile at you. I always believe that smiling will get a tough life lighter and will always bring positive outlook to continue your journey. After second year at PUP, well, it is still the start of the journey. The depth of the academic struggle is on the third year because all courses are major subjects. Then you will slowly rise on your fourth year to claim for the flag of success. Yes, naman, the journey will be painstakingly played with guards. How you will ace with difficult professors, how you will handle academics with extracurricular activities, and how will you handle a difficult rides to the finish line or into it. What matters is how you will manage this journey to claim that flag of success.
Yes, sir! Good luck on your journey. Best regards, Professor. Ang mga pa-snacks. Zeso. Alam, basta ayan. Right, I super love this. Tada! Clover Beats. Busy siya man. Hindi mag-aral. Sino bang magaling? Umanda, diba?
Pero hindi pa din. Not enough.
Dito lang hindi pa, pero dito umayos na siya. Lapit na, titignan natin.
Kaya tingin nga ito. Ito ang ayos naman. Tinokpon.
Good morning, people in the world. My gosh, guys, I look so haggard. Just woke up and my eyes are swollen. Gagawa na ako, people. Kailangan ko ng kumilos. Update. So, mag-open ako ngayon ng portal. Kasi nagbigay na daw si ma'am. I mean, nagbigay na isa namin prof na major subject. So, I'm oh my God. I am so happy kasi everyone, update. Today it's Wednesday. It's August 21, and tomorrow will be our last day of comprehensive examination. But bakit ako nakabihis ngayon at papasok sa school? It's because I still have class today. Yes, may klase po ako. Diba? Napakasaya. Kay Mama tong dress, I borrow it from her because we share clothes. My mom and I share clothes. Arte. Last day of compre. Hi guys, third year na kami. Yay! No, corny mag-yay.
Paano ba gusto mo?
Third year na kami.
Dapat meron tayong transition. Diba third year ngayon? Ganun mo lang, ganun mo lang. Hoy, tingin kayo.